Hello everybody, Dr. Brad here from Life Chiropractic Center in Burlington, Ontario. And over the past few weeks we've learned about spinal pain and how spinal decay is the most common cause of spinal pain and how chiropractic care is the treatment of choice for spinal decay. So I hope that you now know that you shouldn't simply ignore spinal pain or think the solution is pain medication. Now, as with any other health condition, early intervention is the key to successful treatment. And when it comes to spinal pain and spinal decay, you need a chiropractic examination because this is our expertise. This is what we do. And yes, sometimes x-rays may be necessary before starting treatment, but this is standard due diligence for most chiropractors. X-rays provide vital information for effective spinal correction and most importantly for patient safety. And x-rays will also let us know if your spinal pain requires referral to a medical specialist. So if you or anyone in your family is suffering from spinal pain, even if it's just now and then, please give us a call. And remember that just because it may go away for a while doesn't mean that there's not a problem. This is the biggest mistake that you could ever make. So remember that consultations are always free of charge. Family appointments are always available in our office. And our phone number here in Burlington is 905-335-5433. And we'll be sure to talk to you all again next week.